I am Shonen International School student. This is a tropical rainforest. At the tropical rainforest, there are many trees. Inside the forest, it is hot, wet, and damp. There are lots of mosquitoes, so if you visit, put lots of bug spray. It rains all year long, and there are many plants than any other land or country. Next, I will talk about Jorama. This is a cacao tree. Cacao are beans we use for chocolate. This is monkey. Here is another tree. This is a sun and fallen leaf. The decomposers will eat the leaves. Thank you. Now I will finish my presentation.